Hey everyone, welcome back. In this quick guide, I'm going to show you how to create a clean professional Canva presentation from scratch. Yeah, the full 2026 workflow. It's super easy once you get used to it, so let's jump right in. So first, sign in to your Canva account. Once you're in, just type the word presentation in the search bar. You'll see a bunch of templates right away. Now go ahead and choose any style you like. Canva has tons of modern layouts. If you want something simple and clean, choose a minimal template. If you want something bold, pick a colorful one. Either way, you can customize everything later. All right, once your template opens, click on any text box and start typing. You can edit the title, change the font, adjust the size, all that stuff. Canva gives you a big toolbar at the top to tweak everything. Next thing, adding slides. On the left panel, hit the plus icon. Canva shows suggested layouts right below it, so you can pick a layout without designing from scratch. Now let's add some visuals. On the left side, click Elements. You can drag in shapes, arrows, icons, pretty much anything. If you want photos, click Photos and search for a keyword. Just drag whatever you want onto the slide. Another thing you can do is switch up the entire color palette. Right at the top, there's a color panel. Change the theme colors, and Canva updates every slide with the new style. Super handy if you want everything to match. And once you're done, you can either present directly from Canva or download the whole thing. Just hit the share button, choose download, and pick PDF or PowerPoint, whichever works for you. And yeah, that's pretty much the whole process for creating a Canva presentation. It's simple, clean, and honestly kind of fun once you get into it. If this helped you out, feel free to subscribe and stick around for more quick tutorials.